In a quiet corner of the city, there lived a man named Leo. He wasn't famous, nor did he have a big restaurant, but he had something more powerful, a passion for cooking. Every morning, Leo would wake up before the sun and head straight to his small kitchen. The chopping of vegetables, the aroma of spices, and the rhythm of his hands mixing flavors. It was his art, his escape, and his love. He started with nothing. No money, no training, just his mother's old recipes and a dream. He sold sandwiches on a cart, standing for hours in the heat and dust. People didn't just come for food, they came for the warmth in his service. As months turned into years, Leo kept learning. He made mistakes. He burned food, got criticized, lost customers, but never lost heart. Slowly, people started noticing. A local blogger wrote about him. Then a small cafe hired him, and finally he opened his own little eatery, Leo's Flame. Today he is not just a chef, he is a story of struggle, simplicity, and silent success. Because the life of a chef is not just about cooking food, it's about serving dreams, one plate at a time.